were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to.
I pull up in the ladder.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is featuring the Laude&co brand. I had already taken the wig out, but this is the box that it came in. This unit is in the color TT1B Rainbow. There's like a purple blue on my right side, then you get to the back, and then there's a red orange on my left. She is also a human hair blend and has a 4-inch deep part space. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps with pre-made baby hairs. So first things first, I'm pinning the hair back and I'm going in to cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that it fits my head properly. I start off with cutting 3 sections. I go in lightly with the Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter and taking the end of my comb to smoothen it back and forth onto my skin. You're going to want to blow dry on medium heat for about 30 seconds. I'm just doing another round of the Ghost Bond glue for a better and secure hold, so I did apply this glue 3 times in total. Once the glue gets tacky, I pull the lace down and press directly with my fingertips. I'm going in with the Got To Be Free spray for extra hold while using a comb and blow dryer just so that everything spreads throughout evenly. At this point, I went ahead to apply my elastic headband. I'm then going to cut the extra lace off so that it doesn't bother my eyes. I'm going in with the blow dryer on the highest heat setting just so that the lace can melt really well onto my skin. For a more natural look, I always cut my lace off in a zigzag motion, and I did use my eyebrow razor for the other 2 sides as I found it much more easier. After I pull out a thin layer of baby hairs, I cut them so that I will be able to style them to my liking. Reminder, you do not have to do this step. I know not everyone is a fan of baby hairs. As for here, I am using the Got To Be Free spray just to style the baby hairs and lay them down in place. So I'm just giving her a brush, and I did not use any heat or my pressing comb for this unit. She came really flat and she honestly didn't need it. This unit does not mention how long she is, so I'm going to say about 18 or 20 inches, and she does come in layers. Two cons I have with this unit: one, she had a weird thing of hair poking out from the back. I did try to cover it up. And two, the hairline, she could have been more plucked, honestly. So here's the final look of this unit. The texture is very soft and she is big head friendly. This color blend is so pretty. She was very easy to style and install. I didn't get any tangles, but she does shed a bit, so be mindful of that. She does come in other colors. Some of the colors are T530 red, TT1B green, TT1BJ bug, and TT4 1824. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next. Bye!
You were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to me.